Okay guys, here's how I'll make quick signs that are pretty profitable. So I just slice out the pallets and come up with the pieces like this, and nice clean pieces. And after I'm done with this, I'll take you in the shop and show you what I do next. Okay, once back in the shop, I actually go ahead and I use this vinyl transfer tape. It's like a big roll of masking tape, and I wrap the wood in that. And what this is going to allow me to do is actually burn out and laser cut and then paint the inlay and then take the masking tape off. So it'll give us a really nice finish. And I did actually hit this with a map gas torch just to give a little bit of a burnt look. Not terrible, and you know, just to clean it up a little bit, make the size a little bit better. I'd probably use this side, same thing. I would just do a little burnt touch with that, and that'll clean it up nicely. So from this point here, I would jump into using Lightburn, which I already have up. Come up with a quick design, which 1620 Garage and Farm channel. Center the piece, and actually I'm going to do some crosshairs on the other piece, and I'm going to do origin in the center, and I'm going to make sure I start this from the original position and show last position. So from this point, I will actually draw a line from here to here and here to here and put a little tiny X right in the middle, and that's where I'm going to put my laser head to start. And then I can actually size that accordingly. So as I scale this up, you can see right here, it's about 15.5 inches to the left and about probably an inch off the side. And that's going to be right from the middle. And I know that this piece is just about 16 inches. So if we grab the tape measure and I move that out, you'll see it's 16 inches. So it's going to fit on that board nicely. So from that point, I'm going to load the laser. And this is a quick burn. It only takes about 15 minutes. My laser dot's not exactly on. It actually floats around a little bit. As you can see, it's loose. So don't use that as an exact point of reference. Okay, so that's really close. Slide that a tiny bit that way. There we go. At that point, that is pretty well centered. Now, just to double check to see where it's going to go, back on Lightburn, use your framing feature. There's framing. So I'm going to hit the frame button, and you'll see the laser is actually going to frame out where that's going to cut. So hit the frame button. That's going to actually show you. Yep, that's nicely put right on the piece. I'm totally okay with that. That's going to be a nice little spot. Perfect. All right, so that looks good. So from this point, it's going to get loud. I'm going to turn the compressor back on. I'm going to turn my chiller back on. So, and I'm going to turn my air back on, my exhaust, I should say, and plug in my air. So, and let's go ahead and get this cut. We're going to make this a really cool sign. I actually sped this up a little quicker. I'm running this at 250 milliseconds, and I don't think that's cutting deep enough, so I might actually run this a second time. As you can hear in the shot, this is the sign, the Lightburn running. Alright, so it'll last a little bit. Once in a while, you'll have a piece blow off. So it's right on the bottom of the A, right there. So you'll just have to take a piece off your roll, stick it on, and use an X-Acto knife or a little razor blade and just cut it out. Not a big deal. So now we're gonna go ahead and hit this with some spray paint, make it look good. Just a light coat, and use the cardboard to actually section off the two areas so you don't have overs. And there is the finished product. So we'll go ahead and we'll peel that up in just a second.